亲爱的同学们，我是爱着你们的小丫老师。今天小丫老师要带你们看一看这位小作者眼中的妈妈。 The greatest person. In my mind, the greatest person is my mother. My mother is a nurse. She's very busy all the time.She's good at her work. Of course, she's very polite and friendly. One day, I felt bad. I called her to come and stay with me, but she didn't. On that day, I was very angry and I hate her very much. But now I know.She loves her work, and it is important for her to work hard and well. She often says, "Day is short, but work is long, so we should work hard." She always works until 12 o'clock in the evening. 你们眼中的妈妈是什么样子的？想告诉小雅老师吗？双击关注小雅老师，每天一起学英语。